fix can't find or download John Carpenter's Toxic Commando purchase error on Steam. If you see a purchase error when trying to download John Carpenter's Toxic Commando on Steam, the issue usually happens because you already own World War Z or World War Z Aftermath, which conflicts with the bundle you are trying to buy. Follow these fixes to solve the problem. Sheshvar 1. Buy the standalone edition. The most common cause is purchasing a bundle that already includes a game you own. Fix 1. Open the Steam page for John Carpenter's Toxic Commando. Scroll to the available editions. 3. Select Standard Edition or Blood Edition. 4. Avoid purchasing the bundle that includes World War Z. Buying the standalone version should allow you to download the game normally. Search the game directly in Steam. Sometimes Steam automatically opens the bundle page instead of the main game page. Steps 1. Open Steam. 2. Use the search bar. 3. Search for John Carpenter's Toxic Commando. 4. Open the main game store page. 5. Choose the individual edition. 3. Restart Steam client. The Steam client may show incorrect purchase options due to a temporary glitch. Steps 1. Close Steam completely. 2. Restart your PC. 3. Open Steam again. 4. Try purchasing or downloading the game. 4. Clear Steam download cache. Clearing the download cache can fix store or download errors. Steps 1. Open Steam. 2. Go to Settings. 3. Click Downloads. 4. Select Clear Download Cache. 5. Log back into your Steam account. Or 5. Try purchasing from the web browser. Sometimes the Steam client shows incorrect bundle options. Fix 1. Open the Steam store in your web browser. 2. Log into your account. 3. Find John Carpenter's Toxic Commando. 4. Purchase the standalone version. Quick fix. Buy the standalone edition of John Carpenter's Toxic Commando instead of the bundle that includes World War Z. This resolves the purchase conflict and allows the game to be downloaded normally. If you want, I can also write